If you wake up in the morning and realize the financial road you're on isn't going to lead you to financial freedom, and you don't like what you see ahead, then this video is for you. The majority of people in North America work, and then work some more. Yet, by the time they retire, they have little or nothing to show for it. Only a small percentage of people actually achieve financial freedom. Most retirees in North America spend their final years living on pensions and Social Security benefits. So then, how do you avoid being part of the masses? You start by realizing that you need to begin replacing your work income with passive income. And you do this by buying income-producing assets. My favorite, commercial real estate property. Properties that generate income. You need to decouple yourself from the work for pay salary equation. You need to start producing passive income. Income that flows to you whether you work or not. And once you have enough passive income flowing in, then you have expenses flowing out. You, my friend, are financially free, and you never have to worry about money again. That's the end goal. But instead of that, here's what most people do. They go to school, get good grades, graduate, and then find a job that pays them just enough so that they don't quit, but not enough to make them rich. They then trade 5 days of work every week in return for just 2 days off. Then they repeat this trade every single week of every year for the next 40 years. And then while they are a slave to their job, they need to pay their taxes. They need to pay to put food on the table for their family, as well as fork out money to keep a roof over the family's head, all the while hoping to squirrel away some money into a retirement investment account so that when they are able to retire, they hopefully will have enough money set aside that they won't have to work anymore. Then they scrimp and save during their golden years, and hopefully by being prudent with their money, they can survive, and hopefully they don't face a medical condition that could wipe out their nest egg. Does all of this lead to a golden retirement? Not really. Take a look at the old people around you. They did it that way. They're also dead broke. They don't have 2 nickels to rub together. If you're doing the above 3 things, you don't have a prayer of making it financially. For your life to change, you have to drastically change your habits and start taking action. You see, nobody cares about you financially except you. If I'm in Hawaii next month golfing and you're not there because you can't afford it, I'm not going to be missing you any more than you would miss me if you were there and I wasn't. Your real enemy is inertia. Whether or not you want to get out of your rut depends on how badly you want something. If your desire for financial freedom is strong enough, you'll stop making excuses and get down to the business of educating yourself, creating a plan going forward, and taking action. The principles of commercial real estate investing that I teach have worked in the past, they work today, and they'll continue to work in the future. Here's a key point. If you were to take any self-made real estate investor and take away all of their assets, they would all be able to rebuild their financial empires within a few short years. That's because they have the knowledge on how to make profitable real estate investments. They know how the game is played. These investing methods are not only timeless, but they work, whatever the situation is you're currently in. So here's the bottom line. I want to change your life. I want you to achieve financial freedom. So join me here on this channel where I help to educate people on how to invest in commercial real estate, providing them with insider knowledge that will give them a leg up. I help people overcome the obstacles to investing in commercial real estate. I help people solve their problems. So join me here on this channel and let's achieve financial freedom through commercial real estate investing.